Good luck, mate.
Thanks, Keith. Good to see you, Keith. You look really nice today.
I told them all to stop bitching.
And as I've just found out, my wife follows him on Instagram. She doesn't even follow me.
You might want to ask her why, Matt. Oh, never mind.
You know, it's not like... It's like riding that big wave to, like, success, dude.
Wah, 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 ho, ho.
They look a little bit like the Russian Sputnik.
Come on, let's just put it on the wall. We have so much to
Get
do
a gas
tonight.
bottle, because if we're going to paint upstairs, it's still wet.
Start hanging some sheets, otherwise I'm going to bed.
Paulie's got 14,000 Instagram followers. I know. Can I show you something? Ready? Oh, 14,200 now, Paulie. And my little friend Keithy, my best mate. Do you know how many Instagram followers do you have? 14,000 for Eve, 4,000. Oh, OK. Well, could I show you something?
I stay away from it.
So I said to Keithy, you two can become Insta-famous if you get your rig out. Like Paulie.
This is the most embarrassing moment of my life.
This is the most embarrassing moment of my career.
Do you know what? This is the best day of my life.
I heard Keith and Dan talking about us to Scott, and now they're going to come and rip us a new one. I don't need to waste 45 minutes of my time to be told, you don't have any money and why don't you do this? You know, I'm not a child.
What's going on, mate?
It's all going on. It's all hands on deck, mate.
I know, that's what I mean. You've got too many hands on deck. You're running out of money again, right? You've only got just under 23,000 bucks, and your plastering bills, what's that going to be?
That's around the 20. So we either don't have trades on and don't finish a house, or have trades on and finish a house, so...
Hello,
Hey,
Stan.
Scotty, how
Where
are
you
ya?
been?
I just didn't really want to be yelled at today.
I wasn't going to yell at ya. We don't want you to not finish.
But we're not going to finish if we don't have these boys here.
But your money is only going to go a certain amount of
Yeah.
time, and once the money runs out,
Yeah.
well, then you can't do anything.
But we're not going to finish anyway. So what do I do? I just want to be left alone. I'm not coping. I'm not coping, and I'm sick of this.
And she's venting to anyone who'll listen.
Because we can't finish with no one there. Like, this is literally destroying us.
Yeah, it's not destroying you.
It is. Luke and I hate each other. We don't stop fighting. What this is doing to us is not good. We're like newlyweds. We're having the worst time of our life.
This is not the ideal honeymoon situation.
He was just like, well, we're staying, so get over yourself, basically. And I'm glad he did.
Love you.
Love you.
Drive safe.
Yep.
I was not going to leave. We'll leave when the money runs out. If the money runs out. Yeah, we didn't come down here to quit.
But...
Oh, my goodness.
You guys need some help.
Yes, we do.
No matter what you guys think, we always want someone to finish.
Yep.
We're going to give you 2 hours of power with the team.
That sounds amazing.
You'll be busy.
Thank you so much, boys.
Thanks,
Well, let's
boys.
do it.
Come on. Here we go.
Let's go.
Calling Elise because the tiles haven't arrived yet, but she told me they should be here this morning. Elise?
Hi, mate.
There you go.
Good. She's just chasing them up now. They were released this morning, so she's wondering where they are.
Hopefully they'll get here soon.
The supplier says the tiles should have made it to the block by now.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
So there's only one thing to do. Send out a search party.
Man, unless they deliver them to the wrong unit.
Our tiles rocked up at about 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Tiles are here. These tiles? Yeah. Beautiful.
Holy moly.
Oh, this isn't the floors. This is the walls.
Where the freaking hell's the... Oh, Lord. You're joking. They're the wall tiles.
Wall tiles.
What are you waiting for?
The floors. Now what?
When laying tiles, you start with the floor first, then the first row of wall tiles get laid directly on top, so there's no gaps.
What? You're on the tiles. The truck driver just drove over the box of tiles.
What?
He just drove over him.
Who?
The driver.
What the freaking hell?
They all right?
They're broken.
Had a team of plasterers here ready to go yesterday, but we just couldn't afford to have them on, so we had to send them home, unfortunately.
Yeah, Luke's plan is to hang the sheets himself, then get one or two of 40's boys back to help with the ceiling and apply the plaster.
Because we'd already pushed them back a day, they had other jobs to go on to, so we basically shot ourselves in the foot there. I'll give you Raz.
Yeah.
So Luke now has to get on hanging the sheets himself, but with no plasterers booked in to come back and stop up.
We won't finish. We don't have the trades to throw at it. Like, we can't afford it. So I called up Mitchie and I said, I have a proposition for you. You can say no, but I thought I'd just offer it to you. You run out of freedom money? Yes. Well, I was thinking I have a bit of freedom money left over. I was going to say we could give you, say, $2,000 at Freedom for, like, one of your plasterers for 5 hours tonight. That would cost you, like, $220.
The fact that we're nearly finished now, I don't really need $2,000 worth of freedom.
But this deal is Tess and Luke's only hope of finishing this week, and their fate now lies in the hands of their frenemies.
I wouldn't have been too surprised if they said, no, get stuffed.